Did you know a charm school graduate once pulled off one of Britain's biggest heists by pretending to be a fancy businessman? In 1987, Valerio Vici walked into the Knightsbridge Safe Deposit Center like he owned the place. But this smooth-talking Italian had a wild plan. For months, he rented a shop right next door. He recruited an inside worker to help him. Then one weekend, he used thermal lances and diamond-tipped drills to break through the massive vault wall. 4,000 safety deposit boxes were waiting inside. Vici spent the entire weekend filling bags with cash and jewels, 60 million pounds worth. But then a security guard showed up unexpectedly. Vici had to hide and wait for hours before escaping. After the heist, he lived like a king. Ferraris, Rolex watches, expensive parties. But that flashy lifestyle gave him away. Police traced all those luxury purchases back to him. The charming criminal who thought he was too smart to get caught learned that even the smoothest talkers can't outrun the law forever.